Hello, my dear one. About half an hour ago, I got off just stunning group coaching call with my clients, and we've been talking about many things, but one of the first things we talked about, and it was so powerful, was about how to make sure that when we do have some wins, some incredible manifestations. Like, for instance, we celebrated one client in a program who just stepped in a couple of weeks ago, and she experienced close to $8,000 sale with such ease, such just normality, that she never experienced that sense of ease before. And the question was how to make sure that when we do have indeed a beautiful manifestation, the first, that will make it normal rather than hoping that it will happen again, or now I need to keep it up, etc., rather than making it one-off and oddity and defaulting back to old. And isn't that such a powerful question? So that's what we're going to talk about today. In a little different way, I'm doing this a vlog style while I'm having a walk with my lovely dogs and one of my boys, because the weather is so gorgeous. I mean, look at this. English fields, English countryside. It's very wet, very muddy, but who cares? I'm going to do this in a little different way than usual, but indeed I want to introduce you to the Trinity of Manifestation and Exponential Business Growth. And I know that this little framework and model will help you to answer a question like that, not just how to manifest more easily, but how to make it a normal, how to make the next level normal rather than one-off. All right, so let's get to it. So, the Trinity of Manifestation and Exponential Business Growth, what is it? This beautiful framework explains really well the relationship between three important aspects of our energy, of ourselves, that are all together creating our reality. And these three aspects are, number one, your identity. This is the aspect of your energy when you simply maybe decide, okay, I can do more, I can be more, I can have more, and I decide I am that. As in, you decide with all fibers in your body that perhaps you are now that woman, that coach, that leader, that change maker that attracts your soul ideal clients with ease, or makes 10K every month or 100K every month, or has got this insane business. You simply make some non-negotiable decision that you understand, or you feel with every fiber of your being that it is so. We've been here many times. You know what I'm talking about, yes? Identity based decision. Your identity, here's the thing. So this is I don't want to say the first layer, but one of the layers of this Trinity of Manifestation. And at this level of energy, when you decide something that you are, the manifestation is instant. It literally takes form instantly. It's not like you create it, but by deciding that I am that, you are bringing this, what always was, into a form. You are activating, if you're like, bringing one of the infinite potentialities into life. This reality, if you like, that you chose, that you took on, that you decided this is who I am, has got form, even though you can't see it yet physically, but it has got form on a different frequency. Not in a frequency of your body, of 3D, but it has got form, it just has got different frequency. So anyway, it's instant manifestation. And when you decide it, it is. It is so. It is done. Now, there are two other layers of manifestation of this Trinity. The middle layer is your, well, I call this layer our little human, lovingly. And it is essentially your subconscious, your programmed mind. All that you know includes your logical mind, this includes your programming. And this layer, or this aspect of your energy, is like a gatekeeper to how much the third layer, third aspect of your energy can perceive of that reality that you activated. So it's like a gatekeeper to manifestation. Gatekeeper to be able to perceive your manifestation fully, because here I want to remind you that when you decide something, this is who I am, when you decide that you're going to manifest something and so forth, it already pre-exists here and now. It's like a environment that is energetically not space away, not time away. It's happening here and now. It's just on a different frequency. It's environment, if you like, configuration of your universe, configuration of yourself on a different frequency. So it's here and now. Now, the third layer or third aspect of you, of your energy, body and nervous system, is what decodes this frequency. Is through your body and particularly your nervous system, you are able to perceive that new manifestation that already pre-exists here and now, the new version of yourself, the new environment, that which has been manifested. So when you manifest, it's very important to work with all three layers or three aspects of your energy, so that once you manifest, let's say in this beautiful client's case, close to $8,000 sale with absolute ease, to make it not just one-off manifestation, but to make it new normal and keep it going and growing, so it gets better and better and better. Here's what you gotta do. Number one, you want to realize that while on the level of identity, your energetic self, the manifestation is instant. The middle layer, your subconscious or little human, and your nervous system, you will experience physical time while those two aspects of yourself completely align with the energetic self, with your identity. So there will be some physical time passing. Now, it's impossible to say even how long, because on quantum level, energetic level, time actually does not exist. So this is happening at the speed of alignment, essentially how quickly, how fast you can align your little human and body with that new reality. So there is no maths to it. And in fact, I would suggest do not freaking ask how long, because you'll just, wherever you ask how long, you literally just keep staying in the lack of it. Yes, so there's energetic mismatch. However, what you do want to do with your nervous system, body, and a little human, you want to make the new reality familiar and safe. I'll repeat it, familiar and safe. These are two keywords for you. Your subconscious and your body, nervous system needs to feel safe perceiving this new reality, or receiving, if you like, this new reality. Because if, let's say, you're currently, earning in your work or through your work this much, and you're manifesting, or you decided that who you are is now that you're earning, you're making this much, on energetic level, you may feel like, this is who I am, I know I can do it. But if on a nervous system level, in your body, you feel not safe because maybe there will be more responsibilities. It's simply your body doesn't feel safe, or your subconscious, your little human doesn't feel safe. You know you're going to be fighting the fight of manifestation. So you want to train your little human and your body, your nervous system, that it is safe to be in the abundance. It's safe to receive much more. It's safe to be the new you. And the way you do that is, yes, practice having that feeling of that level of abundance and that level of ease and so forth in your body. Sit with it, so to speak, be with it, breathe with it, and keep telling yourself it's safe. This is who I am. It's safe. Secondly, when you do have a win, especially what you consider a huge win, you do have that incredible manifestation, very quickly, yes, celebrate it, but very quickly start breathing deeply. And again, let your nervous system know it's safe to receive this bigly. It's safe to be this abundant. So through deep breathing, you teach your nervous system and your little human that it's safe to receive. So this is just one way, or one possible way how you can do that, but it's very important to make your little human, and especially your nervous system, to feel safe manifesting that which you desire, or perceiving that which is already here for you. Secondly, you want to make it familiar. Familiar, meaning even more familiar than your old reality. And this is where repetition, visualization, and so forth comes in, where you imagine it perhaps that this is already your reality because you decided that. So you, for the pleasure of it, imagine what it's like, what your life is like, business is like, and so forth. When you manifested that which you desire, you essentially are functioning from the place of arrival. You're already there from that place of identity. Yes, there are many, many ways. I'm not going to put them on here in this video, but you will understand the point. This is where, yes, your subconscious and your nervous system, they will appreciate these aspects of you, will appreciate a bit of repetition. Whereas I said that, your energetically, your identity, it's instant manifestation. Your subconscious, especially your body, it learns by experience. It needs to experience and feel. So a repetition is welcomed. Yes, so be kind to you. If you don't manifest something in one day, it's okay. It's freaking okay. Just remember that lack of evidence is not evidence of lack. Keep just being that new self, that sense of, the identity that you decided, and keep making that state of being more and more familiar. And lastly, of course, this is why I'm going on and on and on about importance of moving with that new identity of yours, making moves that are aligned with it. Because when you make a move, when you decide based on what your new self, your new identity, higher identity is whispering you, and you decide, okay, I'm going to do this, invest in this, or let go of this, or whatever it might be, and you actually do it, you move, that action, that aligned action, which sometimes can be even uncomfortable, is very, very powerful signal to your subconscious, to your little human, and to your body that I mean this, and it is safe, my darling. So it's through real life experience that you teach your mind, your little human, and your nervous system that it is safe and it is familiar. So aligned action is incredibly powerful in this regard. I mean, this particular client who celebrated that close to $8,000 sale with absolute ease, like she never ever experienced, she signed up for my program just a couple of weeks ago, and it was not comfortable for her because she found herself in a space of her business when things just were not working anymore, and she found herself in lack and so forth. But she watched one of these videos and so forth. She got activated, she got on her energetic level, the identity level. This is who I am. I'm a multiple six-figure coach. This is who I am. It's my non-negotiable decision. And that level of identity whispered to her when I made an offer for one of my programs, whispered to her to step in. She was actually making herself really uncomfortable to step in, but that was her embodiment, that was her aligned action that let her know, her little human and her body, that I mean it. This is inevitable and you're safe in this. So I am not surprised, of course, that she's been manifesting abundance very powerfully into her business, because she's been, without knowing, using very powerfully this Trinity of Manifestation and exponential business expansion. So remember, when you manifest, you want to manifest using all these three aspects of this beautiful, I want to say divine Trinity. You want to be good to yourself. I know sometimes it's for little humans so annoying. Oh my goodness, everywhere around me is manifesting in like next 2 minutes, everything. But remember, your human self, subconscious, and your body, your nervous system will appreciate. You've got to meet it where it's at. If there's the change, what you're creating between where you are physically and where is your truth, that next level of manifestation, next level of yourself, that identity is like big degree of change. You've got to be gentle with yourself. Meet yourself where you are, work with yourself, and you will absolutely, inevitably manifest that which you desire. It's no question about it. So it's not that I want to encourage you to making excuses for yourself and be in a circle for years and years and years when you're not taking a line action or anything like that. No, just do appreciate that your little human and your body will appreciate a little bit of repetition, reassuring, feeling safe, and a sense of familiarity. Love. So love yourself, my dear, and keep being your magnificent you, because there are no limits who you can be, do or have, and a difference you can make in this world. Love you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Energetic selling and marketing is not a set of sales techniques. It's a lifestyle, a chosen state of being. Through my book, I teach powerful women like you to use the immense power of your energy to grow your business. Because when you do that, there are no limits to what kind of impact you can create in the world and in your life.